Garcia collects brilliantly, slides this into Badje. Badje pulls it back, into the penalty area. Chance for Hayley Ladd, goal for Hayley Ladd, and it's brilliantly well worked.
Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, before we go any further, please remember, drop a like on the video, subscribe down there if you're brand new. After Manchester United's win in the WSL over West Ham over the weekend, I decided we're going to take a step back and do a little quick history of where Manchester United is coming from in the WSL, and we're talking about where could they be at the end of the season and what's the future looking like. Manchester United win, they took them first place in the championship, which means that left Chelsea to either win today to go back at first place. Well, they lost today. Chelsea has lost today to Manchester City, which means that left a massive gap open for Manchester United to pounce on. But we don't have to play Chelsea again for the rest of the season. Chelsea